Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sleep in a Tesla Model 3. Choose a safe, legal spot, then secure the car and set cabin climate before settling in. Use window shades or curtains for privacy and block light. Keep a phone nearby, enable Do Not Disturb, and monitor battery range. Consider simple comforts like a pillow, blanket, and portable fan for better rest while preserving Tesla systems and safety features. Lay out a comfortable surface by folding or reclining seats and adding a thin mattress pad or camping pad. Arrange pillows to support your neck and knees for neutral spinal alignment. Store valuables out of sight and stow loose items to avoid noise or injury. Set cabin temperature to a steady, modest level and use cabin overheat protection if available. Keep a blanket handy for night cooling and extra comfort. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold or hot and fits cup holders in a Model 3, making it handy for overnight comfort. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a small upgrade that helps you stay hydrated while car camping. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Plan battery usage by charging beforehand so you have at least 20 to 30% for overnight climate needs. Use energy-saving climate modes and lower fan speeds to stretch range while staying comfortable. Avoid heavy accessory use and reduce screen brightness to limit draw. If parked with a charger available, trickle charging helps maintain comfortable temperatures. Monitor battery percentage periodically and set alerts to wake you before low charge becomes a concern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.